Well, after a long week of work, I finally decided to take a little me time. Hopped in the truck, ran down to the pike hole, got one real quick, brought it back home, and finally get into that how to fillet a pike video. So we're going to show you some boneless, skinless pike fillets. First thing we're going to do is put the pike on his belly. We're going to start back here on the back fin, and we're going to cut right down until we hit the backbone. He's still pretty fresh. Right down till we hit the backbone. We're going to turn our knife sideways and we're going to follow the backbone all the way up to the head. Just like that. Throw that piece off to one side for later. Now, down here, you can see we got the bones running down each side here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our knife, we're going to cut next to the gill plate down in, and we're just going to follow that layer of bones on the outside with the tip of our knife, same as we would, angled down towards the ribs a little bit, all the way down, then bones all the way back to here, out through the bottom, and this is just like everything else, down to the backbone, right out through the tail. Now we're going to haul our fillet off this fish, same as usual. And we got ourselves a boneless fillet. Now same thing on the other side. Take them, bring that down. You can see where the bones run right there. That's where we're going to follow. Get him on his belly. Follow that row of bones all the way down. Down. Take our tail portion. Same thing again. Nice boneless fillet. Take our skin off like we always do. Always leave a little tag on to identify what species of fish, in case I decide I'm going to throw it in the freezer. Now with this piece, you can see there's 3 rows of bones. Follow down that middle row. Both sides. And then the 2 outside ones. And we get a little strip of flesh out of there, and this is my favorite part. Perfect little morsels. Perfect boneless meat.